balloons because those ones are the bigger size, or you can find a bigger size one, but they have the string on the end, which is helpful. So make it a decent size, round like a pumpkin, right? And now Kristi's gonna take over and do the string part. So she has string, non-pokey kind of string, so it won't pop a balloon, right? So now she'll cut a length off that fits around the balloon. So now, get your newspapers and then rip them into pieces. So now we just let this dry the first coat and then we'll do more. It's already starting to get hard, so that's good. And make sure you leave a hole in the top so then you can put stuff in it.
Now it's empty. The balloon came out.
Orange paint. And so we're just gonna paint over. We actually let this dry overnight and it helped a lot, so. So we take the tissue paper, and I am folding it in half, then I fold it the other way. Then use darker color, lighter colors on top. Ooh. So this will go around the pumpkin. 3 different colors. So you got the dark color on the bottom, and then you got another lighter color, and then a top orange yellow. So now I've already done this, but you cut the toilet paper roll, and then once you finish cutting, you bend them. So then you take the middle, pinch it, get the middle, put the middle on top like that. It should work out perfect. Okay, so here's the stem. Voila! Look at that. Look at that. It's kind of keeping the stem down, I guess. Well, I'll just tape half of it down. That? Yeah. And then I'll take this and push it over. So it's like, voila! Now you have your ball. And it opens so you can fit your candy in. And then you just tape it up. Tape it up.